Hey my loves, back another video. Hey. So this is Kiara Sky again, the jelly tips. I'm using the No Candy Shop April Showers. I got this gel last year, so I'm just showing you guys everything what I'm gonna be using today. All the products. Okay, so I did these nails probably like 2 weeks ago, so this video is kind of old. I'm showing you guys everything you need, all the steps. So you need 1 through 4. I don't really care for their top coat because it's a dip top coat, so it's shiny, but it's not nothing to brag about. So I'm encapsulating the flowers, you guys, in the glitter. So you want to put a really thin layer of the builder gel on the nail surface, not the surface but behind the nail. After you do that, I'm applying the flowers. You want to do that for a 30-second cure after that, and then move on to the next nail. I just want to let you guys know when I tried this, I don't know if it was the flowers or the gel or my lamp, but probably like after 3 days my flowers started to look like they was like the color was fading away. I don't really know what that was about. Some of the flowers were from the nail supply glamour store, and some were I think from AliExpress or something like that, but I'm not really sure. But that could have played a part as well. But also the glitter in the flower was not as shiny as I wanted it to be under the nail. So, but if you just want a solid color, you just want under the nail, I guess you guys could do that and call it a day. But as far as encapsulating, I don't know. I would not truly sure if that's something that I would want to do personally, but it's up to you. I enjoyed it. I honestly think it was the how I applied it. So yeah, I think I applied a little too much gel, honestly. So you want to just be very careful when you apply the gel in the flowers, because you don't want them to break off.
Made me do it.
Okay, since we got that out the way, like I said, I cured all of them for 30 seconds. After that, don't apply the gel like I'm doing to the jelly tip, because I had too much gel on it and I applied it wrong, so it didn't really stick like the way I wanted it to. I had a little trouble with the pinky one. But in the next one, make sure you apply a thin, even layer and have more of the gel towards the middle of the nail, not at the in where the cuticle's at, because it will overflood the cuticle and you have a big problem. Your nails will lift and all that bad stuff. But yeah, you guys, get back to the video. Oh yeah, one more thing. Don't forget to hold the nail down for 10 seconds, and after that let go and do another 30 seconds, and make sure you like move your finger around so the light could get to all the gel and cure it for you.
Made me do it.
Like I said in my last two videos, their top coat is it's kind of liquidy. Not liquidy, but it's not as thick as I want it to be, so please don't apply too much. As you can see, it's so beautiful, you guys. Like, I wish it stayed like that, but it really didn't. And I'm sorry I don't have no pictures because they're looking a hot mess right now. I only have 2 nails on. A couple of them broke. I would say I forgot to put builder gel on top of the nail so it could last longer and be harder, because I made that mistake and a couple of my nails split and broke. But you know, you live and you learn from your lessons. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. They turned out so pretty. Yeah, we'll take off the other nails pretty soon, the galaxy ones. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. I'll talk to you lovelies later. Bye.
TKL made me do it.